Hello children, now second class mathematics, page number 31. What is our chapter? Third chapter. What is our chapter? Third chapter. Numbers with 3 digits. Numbers with 3 digits. Numbers with 3 digits. Now take out children, textbook, open it. Okay children, now in textbook 2, page number 31, open it children. Now observe the following notes and coins. Observe the following notes and coins. Count in 100 rupees and 10 rupees and 1 rupee. Okay, there observe the 100 rupees and notes is there here, notes and coins. 100 rupees, 10 rupees and 1 rupee coins also is there. So you observe children. Rama went to a shop. Rama went to a shop. She purchased some notebooks. Rama went to a shop. She purchased some notebooks. She has to pay 123 rupees. She has to pay 123 rupees. She had 2 100 notes. So how many rupees having? 2 100 notes and 9 10 rupees notes and 10 1 rupee coins. So how many notes and coins should she pay the shopkeeper? To pay 123 rupees. So how many notes and coins should I give the shopkeeper? She is thinking like that only. Rama is thinking to pay 123. So how many notes and coins should I give the shopkeeper? She is thinking. So here, to pay 123, Rama must give 100 rupee one note. So compulsory you give 100 rupee note and 100 rupee note and 2 10 rupee notes. 2 10 rupee notes and 3 1 rupee coins. 100 rupee note and 2 10 rupees notes and 3 1 rupee coins. 3 1 rupee coins. And next, if she has to pay 345 rupees, how many notes and coins must she give the shopkeeper? If she has to pay 345 rupees, how many notes and coins must she give the shopkeeper? So here, to pay 345 rupees, Rama must give 300 rupee notes, 4 10 rupee notes and 5 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins. Are you understand children? 345. Are you understand? Next one. Next page number 32. Here, write the given numbers in the expanded form. Look at the example. See here, expanded form. So spelling, expanded form spelling children. EXPANDED, expanded. Expanded spelling EXPANDED, expanded. EXPANDED, expanded form. See here, one example is given. 250 56. 256 means 200 plus 50 plus 6. Place value of 2, 200. Place value of 5, 50. Place value of 6, 6 only. So here 256 equals to 200 plus 50 plus 6. 256. Are you understand, children? This is the expanded form. See here. The expanded form of 384 is. So here, write here, children, they down to write 384 equals to 300 plus 80 plus 4. 300 plus 80 plus 4. Place value of 3. Place value of 3. 300. Place value of 3. 300. Place value of 8. 80. Place value of 4. 4 only. Are you understand now? 300 plus 80 plus 4. Next. The expanded form of 709 is 700 plus 9 plus 0 plus 9. So place value of 7. 700. Place value of 0. 0. Place value of 9. 9. Are you understand? Here already given only expanded form. So now the expanded form of 650 is. The expanded form of 650 is here equals to 600 plus 50 plus 0. 600 plus 50 plus 0. Place value of 6 equals to 600. 600. Why? 6 in which place? 1 tens, hundreds. Hundreds place only 600. Place value of 5. 5 in which place? 1 tens. So 5 tens means 50. Place value of 0. 0 in which place? 1's place only. So we'll write 0. So are you understand, children? Next. Write the number in the short form. So here giving 400 plus 60 plus 5. 400 plus 60 plus 5 equals to 465. 400 plus 60 plus 5 equals to 465. 400 plus 60 plus 5. Are you understand? 5 plus means 6. 4. 465. Here 800 plus 0 tens and 5 ones. So here 805. 800, 0 tens and 5. 5, 0, 8. 805. So now 956. 900 plus 50 plus 6 means 956. 956. First of all, what you write? 900. 900. Then 50. In which place to? Tens place number only here. So 6. 6 in which place? Ones place. So now you are at 0 plus 0 plus 6. 6. 0 plus 5. 5. 9. 956. Next one. 600 plus 30 plus 0. 600 plus 30 plus 0 how much? 630. 600 plus 30 plus 0. 0, 3, 6. So the number is 630. So remember children, this expand form. So learn this spelling also and how to write expanded form. And short form also is there. The number in the short form. See here, expanded spelling EXPANDED, expanded form. Expanded form 650 is 600 plus 50 plus 0. Just like only you write. Next one, look at the currency notes and coins. Say how much you get if you add 1 to 999. So look at the currency notes and coins, children. Say how much you get if you add 1 to 999 rupees. See here how many notes having and coins having. So how many hundreds are there here? In this box too. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hundreds. How many hundreds? 9 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. How many ones? 1 rupee coin is there. See how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 999. So then 999 to, if 1 will adding means, so how much? How much here? 900. 9 tens again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also 110 will came. So how much having? So then in next page to see children, page number 34. So here 110 is at, again 110 is there. Here this 9 plus 1 means 10. Here also 110 will came. So here the 10 note only will convert. See how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundreds. And 1 will adding means again 1 10 rupee note also will came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rupee notes. So here 10 rupee notes means, so 100 only. Yes, 100. Again 100 notes is there. You came this side. So how many hundreds having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So if you add 1 to 999, it becomes, what is this number children? Ones, tens, hundreds, then 1000. What is this number? 1000. 999 plus 1 equals to 1000. See here, how many hundreds are there in 1000? How many hundreds are there in 1000? 10. 10 thousands. How many tens are there? 100. How many tens are there? 100 tens are there. How many ones are there? 1000 ones. See here. 1000 to 10 hundreds, 100 tens and 1000 ones are there. So 1000 is a, how many digits having? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits having, children? 4 digit number. 1000 is a 4 digit number. The last number among 3 digits number is, the last number is 3 digit number too. Which number is that? 999. So the biggest number among 3 digit numbers. The biggest number is what? In 3 digits? 999. Which is the biggest number in 3 digits? 999. So the first number is 4 digits to 1000. So the smallest number among 4 digit number is 1000. So remember it, children. Okay, children, in next exercise problem tomorrow I will explain. In next class too I will explain.